Hi, I'm Octa here on my channel, and today I want to make a wheel swap. And yeah, I finally find this car here from the mysteries models, you know, are in a package in something like this. Yes, and yeah, day before I buy it, I bought some other cars from these mystery models, and I wanted this car here, but it was difficult. Yeah, and my method to find the car, I put the Bluebird in the package, and I feel it. I feel it a lot how to find the car. And finally, yeah, I know in the package are a little bit air or gas, I don't know what, something like that, uh, but you can feel the shape after you put it on the limit of the car. If you put the car here in this edge, you can feel the car, what car it is. And I was in the market and I searched a few minutes, I think something like quarter hour or half hour, I don't know. And I look at the whole casting, all packages, and I searching, and I finally find it, this car here. And now it's the time to make a wheel swap from the rear riders from here. Yeah, I already drilled the rivet, but of this car I make it a little mistake. You see here I drilled too much, and uh, it was destroyed a little bit from the bumper here. Yeah, it's a pity, but I can use the wheels or something like that. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult here to become this car out. It's not so easy like the other cars. Yes, we done. So now I like the body like that, original, and after that I see, and I use of course the original inside from the car, because I want this original. And now it's a rear rider, this car. And the other it's a normal. It's a little bit difficult. So now wow, that's look very nice. Change the wheels. Real fast wheel swap on this car. And now it's a rear rider. Yeah, looks cool. Rear rider. And I think I will customize the whole car. I put details on the headlights and backlights. I wanna paint this. After that I will put the other car together. Yeah, it's a pity because I make it the mistake and destroyed the front bumper. Something is this plastic car harder to assemble. Yeah, I think I will repair the bumper or cut it off and put another stuff. I can make some spoiler or something like that. Yeah, okay, that was the wheel swap of the both cars. I'm happy. Yes, I found this car from the mystery models, and I transformed to a rear rider. Yes, very short video. This car and the other. I don't throw away. I don't like to throw away cars. Yeah, have another underbody. Okay, that's all folks for today. I gonna make some video with the car transporters that I bought too, and to show you my car transporters. So now I thank you very much for attention and have a nice day. I'm Octa, and please give me a like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.